So much breaking crypto news today. Let's dive right in. First, Grand Theft Auto 6 leaks suggest the story will take place in Colombia/Miami and will include in-game cryptocurrency rewards for players to earn and trade. Just one of the biggest online ecosystems in the entire world integrating crypto. This is why it's difficult to invest in just one video game or one metaverse, because there's going to be a lot of competition. Big business is going to be carving up this space, but it's extremely exciting to be investing in the blockchain infrastructure that a lot of this is going to be running on, because there's a revolution taking place that people are sleeping on. This is what's going on. The internet is just a new technology for transferring information. That was 30 years ago. The blockchain is just a new technology for transferring value. That is now. So what we get to do now is buy and own data securely on a blockchain that's attached to a smart contract that gives us capabilities. It is absolutely revolutionary. And here are some of the assets that some of the bigger crypto funds are buying. Top assets across crypto-focused fund portfolios. Polkadot is number 1, Oasis Network number 2, Nervous Network, DYDX, Radical, Near Protocol, Avalanche, Mina Protocol, Filecoin, Stacks, Internet Computer, Solana. It goes on. These are some of the revolutionary assets that the big smart money, you could argue, the hedge funds are buying. Now, Flow was absent from that list, but look at all the development happening on Flow. Absolutely huge. Fundraiser recap. Cryptoys raised $23 million from these investors. We have Andreessen Horowitz, we have Mattel, a massive toy company, Dapper Labs, and then we have Animoca Brands. And this Cryptoys asset is going to be running on Flow. It's going to expose younger users to the world of NFTs. Draper Associates is another one of the investors, right? Tim Draper, a legendary venture capitalist, runs Draper Associates, and this is what he just said. Former crypto billionaire insists Bitcoin will soar to $250K within the next 18 months. This guy bought tens of thousands of Bitcoin at $600, and he's investing in the space and clearly is a huge bull. I think he had over $1 billion at one point. In fact, he definitely did. So he's a legend. Let's figure out what else the smart money is doing in this time. Birds of a feather must flock together. Crypto lender Nexo is teaming up with Citigroup to create a mass consolidation of the crypto industry through mergers and acquisitions. So one, Citigroup, old Wall Street, trying to divide and conquer the crypto world on deep red. They're using Nexo, which is a popular exchange. It will be very good for the Nexo token if Nexo can actually accomplish becoming a huge player in the space with Citigroup's help. This is all happening behind the scenes. It is absolutely massive, but what everyone is focusing on is the price action. So here's an update from JP Morgan. JP Morgan says Bitcoin price may remain under pressure, and here is why. They are saying that there's going to be selling pressures from the miners, which are mining this stuff and not exactly making a profit. So this shows the ratio of Bitcoin market price and average cost of production. So when it's down here, it means the market price is barely above the average cost of production. So they're saying miners are going to have to sell off. This happens in every crypto winter. The strong miners survive and the rest have to sell off, and it's a capitulation event. Very exciting what is going on. Here is a look at the Bitcoin chart, the price action. We have the 200-week moving average in the gray line. Then we have the dots, which are the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin has never traded below the 200-week moving average. If it did that, it would be the first time monthly close below the 200-week moving average ever. We have 4 days to go. We'll stay on top of it. I am not worried if it goes below, because the uglier the chart looks, the better the opportunity if you're a long-term investor. We will stay on top of this market.